I'm Lucas Swart. I'm a white Afrikaner. I will always say white Afrikaner because there are multicolors under the Afrikaners. The white Afrikaner are also identified as the Boer internationally, but the colors, the Griquas, all the different nations in South Africa whose mother tongue is Afrikaans are not necessarily white. So the onslaught is against the white Afrikaners, and that I will explain in a few small videos. The first video we've made was to explain broadly what's going on in South Africa. What we are now going to do, I'm going to break down that video in 7 smaller compartments. All short videos explaining certain aspects so that you can understand what is going on in South Africa. The first video, the impact and result of the British colonialization. And as I continue, my English and pronunciations will probably get better, I hope. The second video, No Man's Lands and the treaties, which will also include the 1855 map of Southern Africa, which were made by the British. The third video, the gold rush in South Africa leading up to the Bambata rebellion, which was a very interesting rebellion. Apparently, to some of my black friends, they told me that they think the problem happened after they cut off a few British soldiers' penises and grilled it to get power over the British, and the British did not appreciate that. So the Bambata rebellion didn't work well, but I will explain that shortly. The fourth video explains apartheid. Why did apartheid happen in South Africa? What was the reason for apartheid? Or what was the justification for apartheid? And why we don't need apartheid anymore? That I will explain to you in the fourth video. The fifth video, the revolution and asymmetrical warfare. The onslaught against the Afrikaner, the white Afrikaner, has a direct link to politicians. That I will explain in my sixth video. And then in my seventh video, why an asymmetrical war leading up to an genocide is imminent in South Africa. So actually the seventh video will be why a genocide, a full-scale genocide as the world knows it, is imminent in South Africa. That is a few short videos just to explain the first video, which was the introduction, understanding what is going on in South Africa, why it happens. And it's important to know that we'll get to that. Thank you very much.